Hey, good morning everybody, it's Brian. Just a really super quick futures update. Today is November 3rd, Super Tuesday. It's the big election here in the US, so honestly, probably a good day to not be in the market. And really, when we look over at the BTX method, it's gonna keep us out of the market today anyway. So this will probably be my quickest update ever. Not even trying is to be my quickest update ever because I always go over. So let's just quickly run through here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Starting with the S&P futures on the left side. 4-hour bias is short. You can see the orange lines above the blue line. So we've got a short bias on the 4-hour, but we have a long bias on the 30-minute. We broke above 3,000 yesterday, or 3,300 yesterday. I mentioned that was a big resistance level for us. If we cracked it, you know, we'd see continued movement up from there. And we have pushed above 3,300, and it's pushing higher coming into the new session. So we've got a mixed market there. So when we've got mixed bias, that tells us, hey, just sit on your hands. And I know that's hard. I know that's hard for traders to sit on their hands. But you know, when you're learning a new method, you've got to just stick with that method. And there are days when you just have to simply know when to hold them. So we're gonna stay away. Crude, same thing. 4-hour bias is short. 30-minute bias is long. So again, we have a mixed bias here on crude, and same on gold. 4-hour bias is short. 30-minute bias is long. All of these are telling us, hey, you know, stay away. We've got mixed emotions in the marketplace. You know, think of that. Well, I guess there's a number of analogies I could use, but ultimately, just, you know, the market's mixed up right now, and we've got a, you know, majorly impactful, well, potentially impactful day coming up right now, and I don't know that a lot's really going to happen through the day. I think volume might be a little bit lighter than usual. But as far as the election actually impacting the market, I mean, that's not going to happen until things are done, and that might actually even take a couple of weeks after before we really see how the market digests and wants to move post-election, whatever the outcome is. I mean, I'm not here to forecast when anything's going to be. You know, we try to keep our opinion out of it and trade what the charts tell us, because that's where the data is. It's what the charts are telling us. So we look for a bias. If we don't have a confirmed bias, then that's step one, and you end right there. Go enjoy your day. If you want to just sit and watch the news all day and see what's happening with the election, more power to you. If you want to stay sane, go out for a walk, do something, you know, do something else productive. And we'll come in and see what happens tomorrow with the state of affairs here. But for right now, no trades across the board. All right, so that's all I've got for you for today. We'll come back and see what happens tomorrow and roll from there. All right.